Okay, we'll go to here. The one tool is keyword. If you're not comfortable from here, no issue. Always go from model and part and keywords manager. Okay, so here this is a keyword manager. Okay, so according to see, there's a lot of keywords are there. Lot of keywords are there. Okay, so according to type of simulation that can be varies. Okay, so like for airbag problems, for ALE problems, for boundary cases, changes, chemistry problems. Okay, any comments we have to add it, constraints. So that can be defined. So here the one option is called database. Database. Okay. So input out like outputs we define by the database. I will go to database and here you'll find one option is called ASCII options. When I open this ASCII option, okay, so here you see you cannot directly understand what is written. When you check this, it'll tell you it's a Arabic statics. Okay, again, if you take this, it'll tell you the airbag statics CPM. And then like we'll check this, it'll tell you 80 out like that. It'll give you ABS database. Like we are talking about MATSUM and all, it'll tell you what exactly that means. I'm taking GL state. It is what global statics. Okay, what are the results will be available? So that will be in global statics. We can see MATSUMs, material energies. We can see. Okay, so like this, we have to check that what we require. Okay, we required a rigid body data. Okay, or we required resultant interforce. Basically, MATSUM and gel state, na, this will be containing maximum things that I'm taking separately. That will be containing maximum all that results also. Okay, but something like if I that is not available in GL state or MATSUM, that can be added separately from this ASCII options. Okay, like we have to check trace particle history. Okay, structural thermal coupled, because we are not doing thermal and that kind of things. So if we required, we can take this. It means if you required in your simulation further, so you can explore this all the options that is given.